Crash course on Portugal. Geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Portugal, a country with a rich history and diverse geography, is located in the southwestern corner of Europe. Let's dive into a crash course on Portugal, exploring its unique geolocation, stunning natural landscapes, and outdoor adventures that await. Geolocation uniqueness. Portugal occupies a privileged geolocation, with its western coastline stretching along the Atlantic Ocean. This strategic position has influenced its history, culture, and trade routes throughout the ages. The country's mild Mediterranean climate, breathtaking cliffs, and golden beaches make it a popular destination for tourists seeking sun, sea, and outdoor activities. Stunning natural landscapes. Portugal is blessed with a variety of natural landscapes that will take your breath away. From rugged coastlines to serene countryside and lush forests, here are some highlights. 1. The Algarve. Located in the southernmost region of Portugal, the Algarve boasts picturesque beaches, dramatic cliffs, and crystal-clear waters. Explore hidden coves, enjoy water sports, or relax on sandy shores. 2. Douro Valley. The Douro River winds through steep vineyards and terraced hills, creating a picturesque landscape in the northern part of the country. Discover the beauty of the region while tasting world-renowned wines. 3. Serra da Estrela. As the highest mountain range in mainland Portugal, Serra da Estrela offers breathtaking vistas and outdoor adventures. In winter, it transforms into a winter wonderland with skiing opportunities. 4. Peneda Gears National Park. This national park in the north is a paradise for nature lovers. With diverse flora and fauna, cascading waterfalls, and hiking trails, it is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Outdoor adventures. Portugal provides ample opportunities for thrilling outdoor adventures. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping activities or tranquil explorations, there's something for everyone. 1. Surfing in Nazaré. The town of Nazaré is renowned for its giant waves, attracting surfers from around the world. It's the perfect destination for those seeking an exhilarating surf experience. 2. Hiking the Rota Vicentina. This long-distance trail stretches along the southwest coast, offering stunning cliffside views, picturesque villages, and unspoiled nature. It's a hiker's paradise. 3. Kayaking in the Azores. The Azores archipelago is an adventurer's playground. Embark on a kayaking journey, exploring volcanic lakes, coastal caves, and vibrant marine life. 4. Jeep safari in Madeira. Discover the rugged landscapes of Madeira on a thrilling jeep safari. Traverse mountainous terrains, traverse levadas, irrigation channels, and enjoy breathtaking panoramas. Top 12 attractions of Portugal. 1. Lisbon. 2. Porto. 3. Sintra. 4. Algarve. 5. Madeira. 6. Azores. 7. Évora. 8. Coimbra. 9. Douro Valley. 10. Guimarães. 11. Aveiro. 12. Tomar. Summary. Portugal's geolocation, natural landscapes, and outdoor adventures make it a captivating destination. From the stunning cliffs of the Algarve to the vineyards of the Douro Valley, and from the historic charm of Lisbon to the untouched beauty of the Azores, Portugal offers a diverse range of experiences. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, breathtaking scenery, or cultural delights, Portugal has something to offer every traveler. Poem about Portugal. In Portugal's embrace, nature unfolds. A tapestry of wonders, stories untold. From golden beaches to peaks that soar. A land of adventures, forevermore. Coastline kissed by Atlantic's might. Cliffs that reach for the heavens, a majestic sight. Mountains and valleys, lush and green. A paradise where nature's beauty convenes. Surf the waves in Nazare's grandeur. Hike Rota Vicentina, a journey to endure. Kayak in Azores' azure embrace. Or explore Madeira's rugged grace. Lisbon's charm, a city alive. Porto's old town, where memories thrive. Sintra's palaces, mystical and grand. And Tomar's castle, a tale of nights so grand. Évора's Roman past, Coimbra's ancient halls. Douro Valley's vineyards, where wine enthralls. Guimarães, birthplace of a nation's pride. Aveiro's canals, where colorful boats glide. From Algarve's beaches to Madeira's heights. Portugal's allure ignites endless delights. In this land of wonders, dreams take flight. A treasure trove of beauty, pure and bright. Ending note. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.